The next letter is L, the series of alphabets that I'm doing. The letter L with an uncommon word here that you see is Logorrhea. If you break up the spelling, you have to stress on Logorrhea. Like in diarrhea, I've given you the mnemonic trick. Logorrhea sounds like diarrhea. The same way, Logorrhea. The meaning is extensive, illogical talking is this. Like if we use it in a sentence, the excited child's Logorrhea about the trip delayed our discussion in the classroom. So the child was so excited that he kept non-stop talking. It's also said that we believe in Logorrhea when there is some brain issue. People who have had brain surgery, usually the doctors say that they would be very talkative after the surgery, that is post-surgery. So this is somewhere connected here, that some people have a tendency of doing a non-stop talking. Teachers also say that students should not indulge in Logorrhea because then their sentence patterns become very long without punctuation marks, and it is then very difficult to assess the real crux of the sentence. So when someone is doing some non-stop talking, which is too excess in its limit, then we use the word Logorrhea, which was first used in 1878. It's an ancient Greek word which has two parts. One is logos, which means words, and rhea, which means flow. That is the flow of words, incessant flow of words, continuous flow of words. So I hope you will remember Logorrhea and you would use it in your further conversation. Thank you.